Tradovate is a cloud-based, commission-free futures trading platform that's gaining popularity among active traders. It works seamlessly across desktop, tablet, and mobile. No downloads required. One of its standout pros is commission-free trading, making it cost-effective for frequent traders. The platform is known for its speed, clean user interface, and drag and drop customization, allowing users to tailor their workspace. It also includes solid built-in tools like technical indicators and a unique market replay feature to test strategies with historical data. However, Tradovate isn't without limitations. It only supports futures trading, no stocks or options, so you'll need another broker for those. For beginners, the learning curve can be steep, as futures trading is inherently complex. While there is a free tier, advanced features and lower margin rates come at a monthly cost, which some users find pricey. Bottom line, if you're focused on futures and want a fast modern platform with no commissions, Tradovate is a top contender. But if you're new to trading or looking for stocks and options, it may not be the best fit.